Hey there, BodyFix PT fans. Today what we're going to do is go over some balance progressions, okay? I know you can't see my feet in this video, but that's okay. We're just going to talk about how to progress some balance, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to just lift one foot mildly off the ground, okay? You're going to hold that for 30 seconds to a minute. And what you're going to do, this is kind of boring, so if you want to watch TV while you're doing this, do it while you're brushing your teeth, that's great. You can do that for all of these. Okay, you're going to do it on both sides. Kind of compare side to side. You don't want to be leaning over or dropping down like that. That made me lose my balance. All right, the next progression in this one is to lift that leg that you're lifting off the ground all the way up to 90 degrees. So you're going to lift it up to here. Okay, so that knee and hip are parallel. And you're going to hold that for 30 seconds. Okay? I'm not going to hold it for 30 seconds here, and then you'll switch legs and then do another 30 seconds. When you finish that, the next progression for balancing is to close your eyes. So if you want to stand where you can put a hand on the wall, we're going to just do that first one again. Okay, so we're going back. We're just going to lift our foot a little bit off the ground. Okay, and then we're going to close our eyes, and then we'll hold that for up to 30 seconds. And you can start with 10 seconds and go up towards 30 seconds, and then do the other leg. Again, I'm lifting, my eyes are closing. All right, those are the first three progressions for balance. If any of these are difficult for you, go ahead and put a finger on the wall. You're not going to lean against the wall, but you can put a finger on a wall or on a counter, just like so. You're just going to tap it with one finger. That'll help you stabilize a little bit. And those are our first three progressions for balance.